why you should consider getting a live rear view camera for your Tesla Cybertruck. So this thing right here is actually a camera mounted on the top of the back of the Cybertruck. You also have better visibility. The water doesn't splash onto this camera. You can see there, crystal clear. It's raining outside. You can see on this camera, the OEM camera, hard to see. So that alone is a safety hazard, especially right now. It's not raining that hard, but if it rains harder, this is the only mirror I rely on. This one is useless at a point, even when you're not driving in the rain. So consider this: if you're just driving through a puddle, it's not as visible as you would see it from this live camera right here. So this one is from Hansshow. Again, easy to install. Once you get the bracket on top and the screw in, if somebody is able to hold it for you, it's very easy install. It takes less than 40 minutes, I would say, running the wires and all that stuff. So overall, not too bad. And if you're interested in this, I'll post a link in the description of the video so you can get it if you like, using the discount code right now. Huge sale on it. And again, very useful for the Tesla Cybertruck because you have the cheap mirror that you can't see when your tonneau cover is closed. So when it's closed, you can't see anything back there. So right now, this is currently on sale. Highly recommend it if you're interested in this product. And what's cool about this is it also acts as a dash cam. So not only it has the front as a dash cam, you can adjust it up and down like that too. It records the whole thing, but you can adjust it up and down for your view. And you can do dual screen as well. So this alone, acting as a dash cam, is definitely worth it. So if you just want to just do the rear or the front, you can do that as well. It has audio and video recording. So you can see there right now through the back, can't see anything. And another feature with this is, even if you don't want this live live video feed anymore, you can turn this off and now it acts as a mirror. So when you open up your tonneau cover, you can see what's back there. So for example, I'm gonna pop this tonneau cover open right now. So I'm popping out the tonneau cover, even though it's raining. This is for the video. Right now, the tonneau cover is about to be opened. You can see there, right there. The mirror works even better than the Tesla OEM one. So I'm gonna close the tonneau cover. Now you can't see anything. So it's useless. So now you can turn on the live feed. Just look how clear that is. Clearer than the Tesla camera itself. So again, you're interested in this product, check out link in the description of this video. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.